In this part, we're going to see how to synthesize the speech, that is, how to convert the text to speech in Videopad. For that, click on the Audio tab and click on Text to Speech. Type the text which you want to convert to speech. And choose the voice. By default, there are two voices installed on the Videopad, so click on one of them and click on Synthesize Speech. Click on the play button in Clip Preview panel.
In this part you are going to see how to synthesize the speech.
There is no way to edit this clip, so if you want to add or edit the clip, you have to create another one. Again, click on the text to speech and add the text. Click on the Synthesize Speech button.
That is how to convert text to speech.
It is recording on sequence. Click on the clip in bin and click on Plus button.
In this part you are going to see how to synthesize the speech.